the story of the GoPro Hero 14 Black feels less like a new chapter and more like a question mark at the end of a sentence. For years, GoPro dropped a new Hero Black every autumn, each time pushing video quality, stabilization, battery, and rugged reliability forward. Yet as we head into 2026, there's no official Hero 14 Black in hand, just a bunch of credible whispers, internet wish lists, and leaked guesses that paint a picture both exciting and uncertain. Rumors suggest GoPro might finally give its flagship a bigger, more modern sensor, maybe inching toward a 1-inch format instead of the long-running 1 by 1.9-inch type, which would improve low-light performance and dynamic range substantially. People on social forums have been begging for this for years. Better performance at sunrise, dusk, and in shadowy forests where the Hero 13 still struggles. Alongside that, whispers of 8K video at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 240 frames per second, and improved HyperSmooth 7.0 stabilization are the backbone of the Hero 14 rumor list, potentially pushing GoPro past current flagship limits. With 10-bit G-Log, it added magnetic mounting, modular lenses like anamorphic and macro, and a bigger battery that lasts longer in real-world shooting. But beneath those refinements, the core sensor and processor stayed familiar. Great, but evolutionary, not revolutionary. Community voices reflect that tension clearly. Some creators say the Hero 13 is already enough for most adventures, while others insist the 14 must break new ground. Rumored features like AI auto-framing, advanced object tracking, and built-in wireless mic support are the wishlist items that could make Hero 14 feel truly next level. Yet there's also a strong belief that the 14 might slide into a 2026 release, or even be skipped this cycle entirely, pushed aside by GoPro's focus on Max 2 360-degree cameras and the Lit Hero series. So is this the end of GoPro's flagship? Not really. It feels more like a pause, a tension between what the community wants, what GoPro's rumored to be cooking, and the reality that the 13 still sells well. The 14 might arrive later, louder, and sharper, but for now its legacy is built on hope, speculation, and the question that won't go away. Will it finally be worth the wait? What do you think? Let us know in the comments.